I'm going to show you how easy it is to rotate an image using Photoshop Timeline. I'm going to go to Window, click on Timeline. After this window pops up, I make sure Create Video Timeline is selected. You get two options. You want the Create Video Timeline. Make sure that's selected, then click on it, and it creates your video timeline. What we do is click on the logo, which we want to work with. Click on this arrow, which will give you these three options: transform, opacity, or style. Then I'm going to be making sure this blue play cursor head is at the beginning of my animation, which is, by the way, 5 seconds long. So I'm at 0. I click on the stopwatch icon, which will create this time frame. Now I go to the middle of my animation, which is at the point 2.5 seconds. And I'm going to move this logo to right where I want it to be at 2.5 seconds, which is because I want it to rotate it. I'm going to do it manually, and I'm going to rotate it halfway. And then when I press enter, it's going to create the second keyframe. So what happens in between the first keyframe that I created and the second keyframe that I just created is it creates images in between those 2 points to create that smooth transition. Now I'm going to go to the end of my animation, which is at the point 5, which is at the 5 second point. Then I'm going to point it, and I'm going to rotate the image one more time, and I'm going to press enter, and that's going to create my final key point, which again indicates to move and create images in between those 2 points. So now I should hopefully have a smooth rotating image. You can see the keyframes. I do hope this was useful and that you can use the transform rotation tool onto your own designs, and I hope to see you on the next one.